Yeah?
St. Nicholas right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it seemed like forever and forever. We let traffic go. And Rob's still back there. Hey, you got traffic back here. Jamie told about 100 times, let it go.
Yeah. So I'm got a spot to do video.
There you go. Awesome.
So I'm doing video from here. And I did some video yesterday, but I was holding it. I said I gotta find some place where I can sit it on the truck and let it go so it won't be all shaky.
It gets
Right,
everything.
yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, so I'll just get the video of everybody going by here. Yeah, I guess Buttons wants video to, he's going to splice it all together and like set it to music and stuff to take around. He said it's a good selling tool for communities. Take it around and show them what we look like. I figured grading through your town, this is what it's like.
Are you friends with my sister on Facebook?
I don't think so.
Her boyfriend took
Yeah,
the
I
video.
saw the video.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. And it's
I
got,
got
over
that
1,000 likes.
Yeah.
And I don't know how many shares.
Right.
So
So
I said that's
awesome.
a good thing for us.
It
Yeah.
absolutely is, yeah. Let's get it out there. So that's why I'm doing some video. So and Buttons is going to do some magic with it. So there we go. We'll see what we do.
People are such dicks.
Oh my gosh.
Fucking dude.
Yeah, they are. People just cutting around, and that was ugliness right there.
Okay, well, I'm glad I
This truck
didn't
and the
see- I
camper,
just saw the
truck and the camper just,
Missed them.
yeah.
Fucking dick. That much a rush.
Oh yeah, yeah. Because you know you're in a hurry to get to wherever you're going.
It's not gonna be there when he gets there. They're gonna
No.
move it.
Has to do something dangerous like that.
Sons.
You let that get on my nerves.
They're coming.
I saw this years ago when I was about 6 or 7.
Really? Wow.
Yeah. I mean, that was probably about 35, 36 years ago.
Oh, awesome. Well, here comes the bike.
They're only running about 25 horses. About like,
No, they'll be fine. Listen, you and I can take a shortcut to this little outlet.
We all are. I guess. Thank you.